Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 6 Series such as E63, E64 guys, this is the 6 Series from year 2003 to year 2010 guys, and you have a code P0443 or code P0444. Stay with us guys, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it. We'll demonstrate on the 6-cylinder engine, N52 N53 engine, but if you have the 8-cylinder engine, the procedure will be very close and the component will be the same. So make sure guys you stay with us until the end. Now, quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos on BMW specifically guys. Every BMW we get, we make 400 to 500 videos guys. We teach you how to fix almost everything for free. Why we do all that? Simply guys, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these videos. Now, if you need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your BMW 6 Series, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out guys. Now, let me show you what we have here. This is the N52 N53 engine guys. That engine has been used in multiple BMWs such as 3 Series, 5 Series, 6, even 7, X3, X5, multiple vehicles guys. Very popular engine, one of the most popular engines on BMW. But even if you have the V8, the procedure will be the same. If you have that code guys, most likely you have a bad purge control valve solenoid guys. This is the purge valve control solenoid. That's what it is guys. What it does, okay, let me explain quick. When you have gasoline in your fuel tank, that gasoline evaporates. It creates fumes, vapors. These vapors build pressure guys, because your fuel tank is closed. Back in the day it used to be an open tank, so those fumes will be released in the atmosphere. Now it's closed, and when it reaches certain pressure, the engine computer tells that valve to open, and it's going to bring the fuel vapors to right here, and that valve, purge control valve, it's going to inject them past the throttle body in the intake manifold. They will burn through the engine. That way guys, your engine will be more efficient, it will burn less fuel, and you will not pollute the atmosphere. So that's the purpose of that valve. If it goes bad, you will get any of these two codes. Now, if you want to see how to test it, we'll have the video on the channel, check it out. We'll try to share the link in the description of the video below to see how to test the purge control valve, so you don't need to buy one, okay, if yours is not bad. So always test them before you guys buy one. Another thing now guys, if you need to see the whole replacement video on the 6-cylinder engine, we'll have the link in the description of the video below as well, check it out. And if you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link as well, check it out. So now guys, that valve usually on the 6-cylinder engine, on the V8 it might be different. On the 6-cylinder engine we had to remove the intake boot, throttle body, remove that holder here for the wires, and right underneath on that bracket, that's where your purge valve is located, okay, like that underneath, and it attaches to the throttle body right here. It has one hose that you need to disconnect from the throttle body, one hose on the bottom, and one wire on the back side, and you're ready to replace it. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.